Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you what to do when Prime Video is not available in your location. In order to get around IP blocked, you are gonna need a VPN. VPNs are a remarkable development with the potential to liberate internet users. Streaming services like Amazon Prime have gotten smarter and can now determine if a customer is connecting using a virtual private network. It is essential to get a reliable VPN service in order to watch content online. These days, authentic global access to Amazon Prime is only possible through a select few premium VPN services. There are a number of excellent VPN services, and PureVPN is among them. These servers have everything you need to watch your favorite shows online, including your preferred streaming channels. PureVPN gives its users the best way to stay anonymous, such as end-to-end encryption. This makes sure that no one can find out who PureVPN users really are. We suggest that you sign up for a VPN service today so that you can use Amazon Prime from anywhere in the world. So the first step you'll need to do is click the link below to download the software. Next is you need to subscribe to a PureVPN premium plan. Next is to download and install PureVPN. In a single click, you may get the program onto your computer. Launch the executable file after the download is complete and follow the on-screen instructions. Please select Run as Administrator from the PureVPN installation folders menu and click to begin the setup process. Now, launch the VPN client, log in, and then navigate to the server list where you may select a server in a region with access to Amazon Prime's content libraries, such as the United Kingdom or the United States. If you already have Amazon Prime loaded in your browser or the app, quitting and restarting the platform after selecting a location will cause the VPN to connect immediately, granting you access. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my channel for more tutorial videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a thumbs up if this worked for you guys. You can find all the links below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.